What is a blood clot?
Blood clots are gel-like clumps that form in response to injury. They are the body's way of stopping bleeding by sealing broken blood vessels. Without blood clotting, even a small cut could lead to dangerous blood loss. This life-saving process is called hemostasis and is a coordinated series of steps involving cells and special proteins.
Step 1. Blood vessel spasm.
When a blood vessel is damaged, it quickly constricts or narrows at the injury site. This is the body's first reaction and helps slow the flow of blood. These muscle contractions give your body time to begin the clotting process. This initial response is called a vascular spasm and usually lasts only a few minutes.
Step 2. Platelet plug formation.
Next, tiny cell fragments called platelets rush to the site. Platelets stick to the damaged area and to each other, forming a temporary plug. As they gather, platelets also release chemicals that attract even more platelets, quickly covering the wound. This plug is not very strong, but it buys time for the next step.
Step 3. Coagulation.
Now, a complex series of reactions begins, known as the coagulation cascade. Special proteins called clotting factors activate each other in a chain reaction, ultimately turning a protein, called fibrinogen, into sticky strands of fibrin. These fibrin threads weave through the platelet plug, creating a stable mesh that forms the final blood clot.
After clotting, healing and breakdown.
Once the blood vessel has healed, the clot is no longer needed. The body uses enzymes to slowly dissolve the clot in a controlled way, making sure blood can flow normally again. This balanced process helps protect you from both excessive bleeding and dangerous clots that could block blood flow.